To double press set key as open up in Samsung Galaxy S20. Open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel, then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen. Select advanced features. Tap side key. You must enable double press first, and then tap select open app. Select app you want, for example gallery, and then when you double press side key, gallery will be open. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.